Hey, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys aren't, then we are going to be making your day great because we are going to be solving your problem on how you guys can log in into your Wish account. But before I teach you how you guys can log in into Wish, I want you guys to know that Wish is an online platform where you guys can buy dress. Alright, so basically it's like Amazon. So this is the short description of it. Now let me tell you guys how you guys can log in into it. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Wish login. Once you search for Wish login, you want to click on the first link where it says Wish shopping made fun. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Wish official website over here. Now once you're over here, you want to go on where it says login, because if you go on sign up, it's going to ask you to, make a new account. So we already have our account, we just want to log in. So we're going to go and log in, enter our email address and password and click on login. And if you guys forgot your password, you can always click on forgot password to recover your account as well. Alright, so after entering a correct email and a correct password, once you click on login, you should be able to log in into Wish account. And if you guys created a Wish account using Facebook, Google or your Apple ID, you can click on these three options, one of these, and it's going to ask you to enter its information, like for Facebook, your Facebook information, for Google, your Google information, or Apple, your Apple ID. After entering that, you should be able to log in into your Wish account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.